You may have heard the word estate planning and thought that it sounds like something only wealthy people do. But that is not the case. Estate planning involves a series of documents and decisions that let you plan for your future medical care as well as how you want your assets allocated when you pass. If you are strategic about it, you can also use estate planning to help shield your loved ones from your liabilities that they could become responsible for once you die. Whether you have a large or small estate, we're going to go over the 7 basic documents and areas that everyone should include in their estate plan. Insurance. Life, home, and even good auto insurance can help protect your loved ones from your liabilities and financial burdens, as well as secure their future when you pass. For example, accidental death auto insurance benefits pays for death expenses in covered accidents, and so do certain life insurance plans. Without specific types of coverage, your family may have to pay out of pocket for death expenses. Moreover, if you have lots of debt or owe significant taxes, it would be wise to obtain life insurance to protect your family from your obligations. Beneficiary designations. Some assets can be transferred upon death without needing to designate them to someone in a formal will. Depending on your state, this may include bank accounts, retirement and other financial accounts, real estate, motor vehicles, and other accounts or assets. Make sure to update your beneficiaries on these accounts regularly. If you forget to remove an ex-spouse before you pass, it would be difficult for your intended beneficiary to collect. Write out a living will. A living will lists out your medical wishes should you be faced with an incapacitating event, and it is only used once you can no longer make your own medical decisions. The document is used to guide medical staff and can be scanned into your local hospital database. Name powers of attorney. A power of attorney is a document that designates an agent to legally stand in your shoes and take care of certain wishes. The 2 main powers of attorney are durable and medical. Durable powers involve financial, business, and legal decisions. Your agent can be made responsible for your bank accounts, real estate, insurance, personal property, taxes, and much more. If you didn't have a designated agent, loved ones may have to go to court to get approval to access your accounts and pay your bills. Medical powers designate a healthcare agent and allow this agent to make medical decisions for the principal in the event that they are unable to do so themselves. The medical powers only activate once the principal is no longer of sound mind, and this type of power of attorney is best used in combination with a living will. Make a last will and testament. Your will is where you can decide exactly who gets property and possessions that aren't governed by beneficiary or joint ownership designations. If you have minor children, your will is also where you can list guardianship designations. After your passing, your beneficiaries would need to attend probate court to collect any disbursements. Create a living trust. A trust is a way to bypass probate court and minimize estate taxes, and it's another way to handle and disperse property after someone's passing. The title of property is transferred from your name to that of the living trust, but you are the trustee and wield all power related to the trust. You can sell and add property to the trust, and when you pass, the person you appoint as your successor trustee handles disbursement to your beneficiaries without the need for probate court. Review tax laws. Some, but not all states charge hefty estate inheritance taxes. There are ways to minimize these taxes, such as shielding your assets in a trust or gifting assets before you pass. Because each state is different, it is best to review estate and inheritance taxes specific to your state. We're eForms, the biggest database of legal documents on the planet. Subscribe for more current events and head to the link below to get started on free estate planning documents.